Hello everyone, I am so happy I get to teach you today. My name is Miss De Silva and I am from Alvin, Texas. Today I have something very important that I want to share with you. But before we begin our lesson, I want to share a scripture with you. Greater love has no one than this, that he laid down his life for his friends. Today we're going to be talking about a comparative adjective. And this word greater is a comparative adjective. So as we begin, keep this scripture in mind. Comparative adjectives. First, you need to know what is an adjective. An adjective describes the noun. When we are talking about a comparative adjective, we're going to be comparing two objects. One object with the other object, adding the ER to the end, the to the end of the word, describing the adjective using a comparison ER with that. When we add the ER, the rule is this. If it's a one-syllable word like tall, small, you add ER. If it is more than one syllable, you're going to add the word more in front of it. For example, you would say beautiful, that's 3 syllables. You're going to add the word more in front of it. The word intelligent, that's 4 syllables. You're going to add the word more intelligent when you're comparing two objects. So let's give it a shot. Here is your adjective. An adjective describes. An adjective describes. An adjective describes. The girl is tall. The boy is young. Yesterday it was cold. So when we're comparing objects, let's take a look. We're adding the ER. The girl is smaller than the elephant. Smaller than, comparing the girl with the elephant using the ER at the end. Now you say it. The girl is smaller than the elephant. Air high five. Way to go. Let's take a look at the next one. We have 2 apples, the apple on the left side and the apple on the right side. The sentence says, repeat after me, the apple on the left is smaller than the apple on the right. Comparative adjective, comparing left apple to the right apple using ER, at the end. Take a look at our next one. Can you say it first? The boy in the red shirt is taller than the boy in the yellow shirt. Did you get it right? All right, you guys are doing great. The next one, we're using the word younger. Younger, comparing the two men with each other. Let's read. The boy in the yellow hat is younger than the man without a hat. Good job. Now, when we are talking about two objects, remember, and it has more than one syllable, like beautiful, you have a blue butterfly and a purple butterfly. We would say the purple butterfly is more beautiful than the blue butterfly. You have the word expensive. How would we say that one? The yellow Ferrari is more expensive than the red Honda. Today you learned about comparative adjectives using ER and using the word more in front. Keep practicing. You guys did great. Thanks for letting me join you.